guys, this is Kingsley from Obinnar.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a one-page or a portfolio website for yourself or your business, guys. Before we dive straight into it, guys, so if you don't know me, my name is Obinnar. I share information about tech, blogging, make money online, e-commerce platforms, and lots of other things. So guys, make sure to come here to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my content, guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best website builder, how you could create a website even without coding or anything. You can create a one-page website or portfolio website for yourself or your business, and the best method or the best tool to use, guys, is Google Sites. Guys, I've done lots of other tutorials about Google Sites, but I don't mind doing this one for you guys, showing you how you can create a portfolio or a website for yourself or your business for free. You don't even need to download any software, guys. All this stuff, you don't need hosting or anything. You just have to come to the sites.google.com and create a beautiful website for yourself that you can use for any purpose. So the first thing you want to do here is to pick a template. So you can start with a blank template, where you can import other things, but you can come here and click on template gallery, and you're gonna see some beautiful templates that you can use to create your website. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna choose one right now to start editing this stuff. So let's say this one, we're okay with this and we want to use this to create our website. So all you just need to do is to click on it. It's going to bring you to this editor's dashboard. Guys, this editor dashboard is very simple. It's drag and drop. You don't need to know about HTML coding or anything. Just all you need to know is now to drag stuff and drop it. So as you can see, this is the template builder, or this is the website builder. All we just need to do is to edit this stuff, edit this text and everything, so that it could match our taste or our own brand or what we want it to do. You can also add some other pages to this stuff, and the website will be set up for ourselves or our business. So you don't need to start cracking your head about this stuff. So right now, if you want to edit this stuff, it's very simple. So let's say I want to edit this stuff here. I'll just click on it, right, and remove everything here. Then I'll write whatever I want to write. I can say look up store. So that's the name of our business, look up store. Okay, I could also edit this stuff and say the best service at best price, at best price, at best price, the best service at best price. So this stuff, as you can see, as I'm editing it, is changing. I can also change this stuff here. So that's it. I can also add the name of this website. I can say look up store. That's the name, and it's finished. I could also add logo, but that is okay by now for now. So I can also try to embed YouTube videos here as well. So this is it. If I want to embed YouTube videos, all I need to do is just to click on YouTube, locate the video URL and insert it here. Or if you have a YouTube channel, if you just click on upload and pick one of your video, and it's going to be uploaded right here. And let's say you want it to occupy the whole space. All you need to do is to just click on it and drag it so that it's going to occupy the whole place. So you want visitors that come to your website after seeing the name and everything, all you want them to do next is to watch your video, the intro video of your business. It's very fantastic. You can also do that. As you can see, this is it. So users can literally come to this place website, see your videos, watch it, and continue reading. So let's say, for example, I don't like this button, I want to remove it. I'll just click on it and delete. So the button just left there immediately. And let's say I want to add a little text. I want to add a little text for my business. Like I want to. So all I need to do is just click on the text box, and it's gonna appear here. And I write anything I want to write. I can say the best platform or website, the best website builder. So I can also make this stuff bold. I can make it bold. All I need to do is to highlight it, then bolden it. I can also align it at the middle. So as you can see, it's at the middle right now. I can also make it a title, not a normal. So as you can see, it's okay right now. So then as you can see, after the logo and everything, we have the introduction, which is the best website builder. Then we have this YouTube video here. Then we can provide our full services for edit every single part of this stuff. Write our own text and put our own call to action or the footer button. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to create a website with this stuff. So let's say I'm okay now, I've finished creating the website, I'm satisfied. I want to really see how this thing is going to look on a desktop, on a tablet, and on a mobile. It's very simple. All I need to do is to click on this icon here, preview. So I'm going to see how it's going to look on a desktop. So this is how the website is going to look on a desktop right now. As you can see, it's fantastic, it's wonderful, and it's beautiful. So this is how it's going to look on a desktop. So let's look how it's going to look on an iPad. This is how it's going to look on an iPad. As you can see, it's fantastic on an iPad as well. So it's mobile responsive. So let's look how it's going to look on a mobile phone right now. So guys, this is how it's going to look on a mobile phone. As you can see, it's fantastic and it's mobile friendly. So you don't need to worry about your website being mobile friendly. Using Google Sites enables your website to be mobile friendly and fantastically looking. So let's say you are okay with it. So all you need to do is X out of here, and it's going to return us back to the editor. So what we need to do right now is to make sure we publish our website. So we click on publish and give it a web address. So by default, it's going to have this sites.google.com/view/ whatever name you give it here. So for example, you took up the name of the website and says look up store. So if we are fine with that, and we want search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and the rest of them to display our website on their search engine, we can click on this place and say yes, public search engine to display our website, and hit publish. So our website will be published. So we could also get the link. Just come here, click on this place to get the link that we can use and share to our friends that want to view our website. So we can get our link here. Okay, so that's basically it. And what other thing? I think you can also do some other settings. You can adjust it. So whenever you have a domain, you want to connect your own personal domain to it, you can come here, custom URL, and add your domain here and set it up and channel it so that whenever somebody clicks on the domain, it's going to bring the person to this place. So you can add custom domain. That's very important and very awesome. So you can also upload your own logo, and other things in this tool here. So that's basically it. And this Google site is a fantastic platform. It's a free website builder, and this website is going to be stored on your drive, so you don't need to worry about hosting and the cost of managing a website. So all with your Google account, you have a free 15 gig in your Google Drive. This website is going to be hosted on your Google Drive. So that's it. And guys, I'm sure you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and watch more videos, because in this channel I have lots of other tutorials.